In this video, I want to share with you this weekly cash flow template that I sell on Etsy and also on my website. If you're interested in this, check out the link in the description. If you purchase this item on my website, it's a little bit cheaper and you get 10% discount. So check out the link in the description. So this is the weekly cash flow that I built, and it works with Google Sheet and Excel. And I'm showing you this in Google Sheet. So you can see here, you can select the reporting year that you want to work with. So it goes through all the way to 2050, so you can pretty much use this forever. So let's say if I want to use this for 2026, you can see here the month automatically or the year automatically update to the year that you selected. And this here, this month here that you select, it just basically shows you the bar chart for the month that you select. So let's say if I select February, you can see it changes to February, right? And then this is April, so it just shows you the ending cash balance for each of the month that you selected. So it's very dynamic. And then here is where you can enter in your beginning cash balance if you know it for the first week of the year, and everything else will automatically be calculated. And here again, you can the cash receipt. You can enter this data yourself based on your business, and then cash payments. So these are cash going out, and automatically calculate the ending cash flow. And then so it goes all the way up to the end of the year for each week, and then at the very end, it also calculates the year to date as well. So it's a very cool template to track your cash flow for the week. So if you're interested, again, check out the link in the description. Thank you so much.